Here are the 10 must-buy things if you're buying your first motorcycle. Riding a motorcycle is awesome, but you should make sure it's running great before you ride. If you just bought your first motorcycle, here are the 10 things you should buy along with it. A quality tire gauge and air compressor. You should always make sure your tires are in great shape and perform air pressure readings regularly. If you have a chain on your bike, you need a chain cleaning brush and chain lube. To increase the life of your chain and get the best performance out of your bike, your chain should be cleaned and lubed every few hundred miles. A battery maintainer and charger. If your bike will be sitting around unused, like during the winter, keep your battery charged and healthy. If you don't have a center stand on your bike, then you should get swing arm spools and a rear stand. This will help you with maintenance, cleaning, and multiple other uses. A kickstand puck. Chances are you'll find yourself having to park on hot asphalt, gravel, grass, or some other soft surface. A kickstand puck will help your bike from sinking into the surface and tipping over. Grease. Even if you're going to have someone else do your maintenance, you should at least lube certain points on your bike after washing, rain, or riding in dirty areas. An extra set of keys. Stock keys are infamous for being bendable and not that rigid. Spare yourself from getting stuck somewhere because of a lost or bent key. There you have it, the first must-buy things with your motorcycle. We hope that helped and want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment or ask questions below, and please share with others if you think it might help them. Thanks for joining us this time on Moto Travel USA. Now let's go explore.